Welcome to Aspire BBA, your go-to channel for inspiration, growth, and achieving your goals. In today's video, we're diving deep into a powerful message. There is no such thing as failure. Failure is just life trying to move us in another direction. Success isn't always a straight line, and sometimes the challenges we face are exactly what we need to push us forward. Let's explore 7 lessons from It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done by Catherine and Ross Petras that will motivate you to take action and never give up on your dreams. 7 lessons from It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done. Motivation for Dreamers and Doers by Catherine Petras and Ross Petras. 1. The Power of Belief. The book emphasizes the importance of believing in yourself and your dreams. It features inspiring quotes and stories of successful people who overcame challenges and achieved seemingly impossible goals. This reinforces the idea that with perseverance and belief, anything is possible. 2. Break down big dreams into actionable steps. Large, overwhelming goals can be paralyzing. It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done encourages breaking down your dreams into smaller, manageable steps. This creates a clear roadmap for progress and keeps you motivated as you move towards your ultimate goal. 3. Embrace challenges and setbacks. The road to success is rarely smooth. The book acknowledges that challenges and setbacks are inevitable. It encourages viewing them as learning opportunities and using them to refine your approach and build resilience. 4. Find inspiration and build a support system. Surrounding yourself with positive and inspiring people can make a big difference. The book highlights the importance of finding mentors, joining communities of like-minded individuals, and seeking encouragement from those who believe in your dreams. 5. Take action every day. Success doesn't happen overnight. The book emphasizes the importance of taking consistent action, even small steps, towards your goals every day. This consistent effort builds momentum and keeps you moving forward. 6. Develop a growth mindset. Having a fixed mindset that sees your abilities as static can hinder achievement. It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done encourages adopting a growth mindset, believing that your skills and talents can be developed through effort and learning. 7. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. The book emphasizes the importance of rewarding yourself for reaching milestones. This keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behaviors that contribute to achieving your dreams. By combining these lessons with inspirational stories and practical advice, It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done aims to motivate dreamers and doers to take action, overcome challenges, and achieve their goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey through these incredible lessons. Remember, success comes from believing in yourself, embracing challenges, and taking action every day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Stay inspired, keep dreaming, and remember, what seems impossible today could be your reality tomorrow. See you next time on Aspire BBA.